Myself, Isaac. This is Project Zero, CS Project Zero Submission 1, Google Search Clone. And this is the main page. In the main page, we have the place to enter a query, something like Harvard. If I and enter the Google search button, it's going to fetch us the results in the Google search engine. After that, we have the navigation to Google Images and Google Advanced Search also. So I'll show you the Google Images. If you click here, this load will appear, this page will appear in the Google Images search. We can type our query, say let's say cats, and click the search button to retrieve the queries. And if we do that, yeah, we got the results. And this ends the Google Images. And we have the navigation link for the Google main page. If you go to the Google main page, and then the next set is the advanced search. In the advanced search, we have the stacked vertically the input types that we need to perform the advanced search. For example, all these words, I'll say Isaac, and none of these words I'll provide, like Einstein. And let's click the advanced search button. As you can see, this is in blue color and the text is in white color. And let me show you the results. As you can see, this gives me the result that we have entered as performed by the advanced search. As you can see, is in the URL. And we'll go back to the main page. Yeah, we have the navigation link for the main page. All the pages that I have designed are completely responsive. Let me show you. The media queries, I have written media queries for various viewports, and makes these pages fully responsive for all kinds of device lengths. Now if we come back to the main page, we'll go to Google, and here we have the I'm feeling lucky button. I'll show you over. Wait, if we type something like Google Drive and click I'm feeling lucky, it would just load us the Google Drive page. So this is what the this CSS files also conclude the aesthetics of the Google web page. So this is my final submission. Thank you.